Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to manage customer information and build contact profiles in your free Freshdesk plan. First, to view a contact, go to the Contacts page on the left menu. Here you'll see a list of all customers who have contacted you. To see a customer's full profile, click on their name or email address in the list. This opens their contact profile page. Now, let's update their information. On their profile page, click the Edit button. A form will open. Here you can update their phone number, company name, or any other details. Click Update to save the changes. To see every ticket linked to this customer, scroll down on their profile. You'll see a section called Tickets or Activities. This shows a list of every support ticket they've ever submitted. You can also add custom notes about the customer. In their profile, look for a Notes or Description field. Click it and type helpful information, like preferred contact method is email or VIP customer. Click Save. Finally, to find a contact quickly, use the search bar at the top of the Contacts page. Type their name or email and press Enter. And that's it. You can view contact profiles, edit their details, see their ticket history, add internal notes, and search for them instantly. If this helped you know your customers better, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.